Welcome to the new SolidWorks video where I'm going to show you 5 SolidWorks features that every SolidWorks beginner should master. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you just started to learn SolidWorks, these 5 you have to know. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to show this in the SolidWorks 2025. So we're going to open the part. So we have 3 options here: part, assembly, drawing. We're going to choose the part. And the first one that we're going to use is extruded boss base. So before we use that feature, let's create a sketch. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to choose one of these planes, right? So we have the front, top, and right plane. So we're going to go here with the front plane. We're going to go here to the sketch. And then here we have an option sketch. Okay, so we're going to choose that. And now here we have a different tools that we can actually use to create a sketch, right? So we have the line, we have the circle, we have the spline, rectangle, and so on. No, just one thing before we actually continue with this video. If you want to learn all of these things step by step, like sketching, part modeling, assembly, drawing from beginner level to the expert professional level, I have a course. You can just click the link below. You can check out the course, okay? And also have the free mini course that you can also check out if you're a complete beginner. So let's start here with rectangle. Okay, so we're gonna create a simple sketch. So you're going to go here to the origin and create something like this. Okay. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put some dimensions here. Okay. So we're going to go to the smart dimensions here and we're going to click on this line and we're going to put here 100 millimeters. Okay. Like this. Then what we're going to do next, we're going to click on this line here on the vertical line. And here we're going to put 70 millimeters. Okay. Then what are we going to do? The next thing, we're going to go here to the circle. And we're going to just create a circle like this. Okay. That's it. Then what are we going to do here now? We're going to click on this circle. So you can see this circle is designated. We're going to hold the control. And then we're going to click on this horizontal line. Okay. And now we can add relation between circle and horizontal line. So I'm going to choose here tangent like this and click OK. And the same thing I'm going to do for vertical line and circle. So click on the circle, hold control, vertical line, and we go here with tangent and OK, right? Now still we have to define the radius because as you can see, we can change the radius if we move the circle. So we're gonna go to the smart dimensions and we're gonna go here with a radius or diameter, in this case, 30. Okay, and let's click OK. Now we're gonna use this sketch to create a 3D object. Okay, so we're gonna go here to the features and we're gonna use a tool, extruded boss base. So I'm gonna show you the fundamentals of this tool. So extruded boss base. Now here we have many options. I'm not gonna go through all of these options here in this video. You have some other videos and also in the course in the details how this tool works. But what do we have here? So here we have a few options. We can go blind, up to vertex, up to surface. We're gonna use a blind because we can actually control the depth of our model, right? So as you can see now we have a 10. Let's go here with 50. Okay, and also here we can choose direction, right? So we can change direction here. As you can see this arrow here, right? We can change this in which direction we want to extrude, right? And also what we can choose, we can select the contours that we want to extrude. We can extrude only this one. We can go with this one and this one, right? So we can practically choose that. So what are we going to do? We're going to choose this one here. And that's it. Now we're going to click OK. Okay. And now as you can see, we got this object. But yeah, this is it. This is the simple way how you can use extruded boss base. Now the second one that we're going to show is extruded cut. This one here. Okay. So let's first create a sketch. So we're going to use this face here. So we're going to use this face here, this surface to create a sketch. Okay. just click here, and we can just click here sketch, okay? And now we're gonna choose another circle. Okay, so we're gonna go here like this with a circle. Let's go with the smart dimensions and let's put here the diameter. So we're gonna go here with 25. Okay, so that's just number one. Also, we're gonna go with here, and here we're gonna go with tangent. Okay, so that's number one relation. And then also we click here, hold Control, this one here, and now we have also tangent. That's it. Okay, so this is what we have now, as you can see here. And now we're gonna go here to the features, extrude cut, like this. And also what we have now here are many options. And now what we have here also are many options. We're gonna use here blind, right? So we're gonna go 50 millimeters through this model, right? We can also go like 25. We can go to different direction, as you can see, right? If we want to, we can also go here with graft, right? On and off. We're gonna have it off now because we just want to show the simple way to use this feature. So let's go here with OK. And now here we have one question, bodies to keep. So we're gonna select bodies. Which bodies do we want to keep? We're gonna keep this body here. But also we're gonna keep this body here. Okay, so we can then, in other words, say all bodies. Okay, and let's see what we got. We got this. Okay, because now as you can see, this is the separate body here. If we go here to the feature manager design tree, solid bodies, body 1 and body 2. Okay, so yeah, this is the simple way how you can use extruded cut. Okay, now I'm going to show you another feature, feature number 3, and this is mirror. Okay, so here we have the mirror. So let's click on this. First, what we have to do, we have to choose mirror face or plane, right? So which plane or face we're gonna actually choose as a reference. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now we have to choose features or faces or bodies that we want to mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna choose bodies because we have bodies, right? And I'm gonna choose this body like this. And then also here under options, I have an options to merge solids. What it means, I can take these two bodies and make it one body if I check these merge solids, right? I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna just click OK. And this is how we mirror this, right? Now, as you can see, we didn't mirror this part here. If you want to include this part, we have to go here to the mirror, edit feature, and here we also have to choose bodies to mirror this one here, right? And click OK. And now we have also this part, right? So basically, this is how we can use this feature mirror. Fourth feature that I'm going to show you is linear pattern. Okay, so you're going to click here. With this feature, you can do a lot of things, but I'm going to show you the basic things. Okay, so first we have to choose direction of our pattern. So we're going to choose this one here. We can also go in two directions, you can see, right? In direction 1, direction 2, we can have two-dimensional pattern. But we're not going to use this. We just want to keep it simple. So we have this, and then also we have to choose here the bodies that actually we want to use in this pattern. So we're going to use this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one here, actually, like this, okay? And then also here we have the number of instances. We're going to go with 5. And also here we have the spacing between these instances, okay? Here we're going to choose direction, reverse direction, like this. Let's click OK. And this is it, right? So basically, we created this. Also, if we want to now use this, we can also go into different direction, but this is more, let's say, advanced. If you're a beginner, this is enough for now. If you want to get more into this, you can check out other videos, okay? And the feature number 5 that I'm going to show you is fillets. Okay, so you're going to click on the fillet. So basically, we can create a fillet on our bodies that we have here. This is a very simple feature. So basically, there are two ways how we can do this. Number one, we can, for example, select the edge, right? Like this. And then also here we have to use the radius, right? And also here we can choose the fillet type. It can be this one, right? With constant fillet. It can be this one with variable fillet, right? Then it can be this one here with face fillet. And then also we have option here with full round fillet. We're going to use this one here. That's the most basic. And we're going to click OK. Right this. And this is it, like, right? So this is what we got. Now, for example, if you want to create a fillet on all of these here four edges, right? We can go here to the fillet. And instead of selecting the four edges, we can just select this face here, right? 10 millimeters and click OK. And now we got this one here, okay? So yeah, like if you are a SolidWorks beginner, these are the 5 features that you want to master. And if you want to master these to the next level, then you can check out below my full course, okay? So thank you for watching this video and I see you in another.